Welcome to my vlog thing. I still hate that word. Anyway, hi, how are you? Things have been a little bit slow of late with Patreon, etc. This current project was supposed to take me 4 days. And I'm 12 into it with another 4 or 5 to go. I consistently bite off more than I can chew. But it's not a problem because it is great fun. I'm going to assume that you're following the MF Kit build along as we go. We've changed obviously the whole format of, well, at the moment the whole format of the Crimson Guitars YouTube channel has changed, and that is I think how it's going to stay. In all seriousness, it's much more fun doing a project and doing a full build and filming that and putting it out as one thing. Me doing an individual little video, even this sort of talking to the camera kind of job, doing sort of 8 or 10 of those is exhausting. And then we've got to individually edit all of that sort of stuff. Whereas and I do enjoy teaching, I really enjoy teaching, I really enjoy being a YouTuber, actually. He says, looking at the silver play button, sort of, thank you again for that. But at heart, what I want to be doing is building, not necessarily just talking to camera. And also not splitting my my day up into 8 little separate things. I would much rather have the camera, but be building something. And really that's the 90-hour build is what's convinced me that this is the way I want to move forward. And then also looking at the number of people that are enjoying watching the MF Kit build at the moment, I'm having more fun. The people watching us are having more fun, and I hope learning stuff. We will still do tutorials, we will still do the odd individual video. There's going to be demos and that sort of stuff, but I don't think much else. I think it's just a case of this month we're building this guitar, or we're building this project for the Conceivable. Now, the fun thing is that I am also going to start doing on the YouTube channel tool builds. I started another channel, which I do still want to continue and carry on with the plan of putting tool builds, say me making a router plane, for example, or you're too far away to have a look at that. I've got some new planes on my wall that I haven't used yet because I'm not at that stage of a build. Anyway, yeah, I will be making the odd router plane, an infill plane. I want to get into saw making as well and stuff like that. So we'll have a project on YouTube of a guitar build, then we'll have a project, a random tool build or something like that, but still a sequential series of videos on making something. And bigger and smaller projects, and we'll see how that goes. I do have some serious inlay work to do. I've got a couple of master build guitars that desperately need to be made. 1 or 2 to finish that you've been seeing over the last years. The Zebrano Beastie with the carve and the filled epoxy fill, that sort of has taken a back step to this build for now. And also the instrument with, I'm sitting down. I don't often sit down at my workbench. So this guitar needs to be finished. It really does. We've experimented with the lacquer and got that going. I've got a little bit of sanding and I've got to lay out the electronics, and then we're done. But moving forward, I'm trying to simplify my life so that I can concentrate more. And sort of the point of this vlog really is that a lot of you, and a lot of you are professionals in a you have a job, you have a career, and you go home and you build a guitar. And it's quite difficult to concentrate on, to have a work world and then a hobby world and a family and health and all of that sort of stuff. And it's made more difficult if you're not concentrating on one build. I've seen a lot of hobby builders really get into it, and they have a certain thing that they enjoy doing, be it, I don't know, making the body or designing the guitar or whatever, and they avoid, for example, fretwork or necks, and they'll make 8 bodies at a time. And I've seen so many hobbyists have multiple instruments on the go, multiple instruments, 7 or 8, and I'm just going, that's, hold on for a second. I've got 8 builds on the go right now. 9. Yeah, 8. No, 10. I want to pare it down to 1 or 2. I really do. Concentrate on a build, finish it, because having multiple things in your head is a way, it's a recipe for disaster. But anyway, so I'm going to grab the camera and show you what's happened with the MF build, because I am currently about 4 episodes ahead of the editing, and I'm trying to just get this finished so I can get back onto the 90 hour, to be honest. So where's my camera? Come on then. So, here we go. I picked up a lovely little router plane, a couple of Lie-Nielsen block planes, and I'm very excited by the Lie-Nielsen low angle. What number is that? Number 62. I've always had, or I've had this number 154 low angle smoothing plane for a long time, and I love it. And yeah, that came in. And finally as well, actually, so that's probably going to be the first plane that I build on the channel. But I also picked up through vintagetoolshop.com. I picked up this Lie-Nielsen saw, which I'm probably not going to keep for very long, but I am going to use it as a template. I think I want to make a saw at some point. Check this beastie out. Brazilian rosewood saw. I want to make one of them too. Anyway, back to guitars. So you might notice that I have removed carefully all of the aluminium foil that was around these sound holes. I'm basically sitting here fine sanding using this little tool. So sandpaper just on a sanding stick basically, and I'm carefully using that to sand the internal bevel of each of these things. I am thinking about a fade. It's going to be bright phthalo blue in the middle to a sort of blacky purple on the edges, but the hard edge around the corner here, the chamfer around the edge and in there, and also I'm hoping the chamfer in there will be phthalo blue, and possibly the chamfers around each and every one of these hexagons. I'm not entirely sure yet. Oh, here we go. So this is the test. Let's get that in the place where you can actually see what's going on. So this is phthalo blue rubbed back a little bit with oil, moving to a black stain that's had our bright pink over the top. And then I've been playing with drawing lines in the Stunning Stains shots using this tool. I'm not going to put that on the guitar, I've fine sanded that. So Yeah, fun times. Anyway, there we go. We're all good. Anyway, I need to apologise for the lack of content recently on Patreon. I'm going to try and get that sorted out. There's another 90-hour build coming out soon. And yeah, I need to learn how to schedule my life a little bit more intelligently. Anyway, let me know what you think of that below. And yeah, have a good one. Go make some dust. See you soon. Cheers. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that giant box of brass filings. It's going to be cool though. I hope.